Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure you click that subscribe button. If you are returning, welcome back. Today I have for you another RPG show wig review. This one is actually going to be on one of their drawstring ponytails. I do have some pros and cons about this ponytail, but we'll get into the unboxing first. In the box, you're going to get your super cute, sleek envelope that's going to have your order information. They also sent me some information on mulberry silk that was also in the packaging. I don't really know why they sent this, but they like to include things like this in the packaging. It could be a magazine or other information like this. You also get a wig cap. I got a headband. I got the super cute drawstring bag, and then of course the garment bag that you can put your hair in. This ponytail comes with two combs, one in the front, one in the back, and then of course you get the drawstring. The hair was very thin on this, you guys, but we'll talk about that a little bit later. If you want to see how I styled this ponytail, keep on watching. Okay, y'all, I am going to chime back in here because this is where I was like super annoyed. On this ponytail, there are flyaways everywhere. This is something that I communicated with RPG Show, and it's something that they said that they are working on. Why they would advertise it on the site and they know they don't have it together with these ponytails, I don't know. But so in order to continue to use this ponytail, I decided to go ahead and put it up in a cute little bun, and I made it work that way. So that was what I decided to do here, and I'll show you guys how this looked. This is how the look with the bun was, and it turned out super cute. Then I decided, let me go ahead and boil this ponytail and see if I can get the texture to change to make it more of a wavy, yucky type of texture. So here you'll see that I am getting this prepped to boil. I just basically put the ponytail in plaits. Then I go to put it in the water. I let it boil for about 25 to 35 minutes. That was enough for me. Some people do longer, but that was perfect for me. And then I just take it out and let it sit with the plaits still in for 24 hours. Once it's 24 hours, I then would take it, and you see it looks really, really nice. I ended up taking the plaits out to look at the texture, and it turned out perfect. It turned out exactly how I wanted it to. Look at this beautiful texture now. It is more of a curly, wavy pattern, and it turned out absolutely beautiful. I was able to then rock this ponytail and make it my own instead of throwing a tantrum and throwing this wig in the trash, okay? On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give this ponytail a 5 out of 10. A 5 out of 10 because the customer service was really great, and they did hear me out with my concerns on this ponytail, and it turned out super cute once I put my little finishing touches on it. Thank y'all so much for checking out today's video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on those post notifications so you're not missing my next one, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.